Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. This is Pete and his NSU Quickly, and we thought we'd make a little video about it because it's a really cool little 50cc motorcycle. Alright, starting the bike. Look at that. The Quickly frame was a pressed steel single spar unit with a headset at the front of the unit and wheel attachment points at the end of the arms at the rear of the unit. The unit also incorporated a tower in which the seat post was mounted and the attachment points to the motor and also the petrol tank. The front forks of the Quickly were made from pressed steel and were fitted with leading link suspension. The motor included a 49cc or 3 cubic inch 2-stroke engine, a 2-speed transmission, 3-speed on some models, and a bicycle pedal assembly to start the engine and assist propulsion up hills. There was quite a lot of pedalling involved in getting Pete up this hill, but once we got over the brow of the hill, the thing was doing sort of nearly 30 miles an hour, so I was quite impressed with it. I was following on my electric NIU scooter. Once we'd broken the back of the 3 or 4 mile journey, we decided it was time to pop into the pub and have a beer. Always nice to freshen up the soul after a long motorcycle ride. Cheers. Anyway, hope you're finding this NSU Quickly interesting. Let's get into some of the detail about the unit in a few seconds. Go on then, fire it up. Spark plug, exhaust pipe, single cylinder, and that's the clutch and gearbox, is it? Oh, it's a chain. Yeah, okay.
And you back pedal to get rear brake.
Okay. And then this is the fuel tank.
Yep.
So
it's just over a gallon.
And then we've got a speedo.
Non-accurate.
Is that a light switch on the top?
That's a light switch. That's side lights, headlights.
Brilliant.
There's no brake lights on this thing.
And then we've got a horn on the front here.
Horn, yeah.
Twist throttle as standard, and then front brake.
Yeah.
And then on this side, we've got
gear change,
clutch. And where's the gear change? Again, is that this guy round here?
That's the decompressor to stop the engine.
Oh, that's the decompressor. Okay.
Start it, yeah.
Okay. And then it's a twist. It's a twist for
first
or second. And it's all drum brakes, isn't it? By the looks of things. Yep. And so then we've got the back drum brake and a pea shooter exhaust. That's cool as though, mate. That is an epic piece of kit. Ladies and gents, thanks ever so much for watching. Take care, have a wonderful week and weekend, and don't forget, give us a good old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you in the next video. This is one beast of a machine. Cheers and beers for now.